Oh, shoot. Mighty God. Thing pour out right here, so. Disaster. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. 3 liters of water. 2. About half cup of this in it. So I bring the water to a boil. And then I turn the stove off and kind of just leave it and let it steam. That was done from last night. So I'm now gonna be sweetening this thing. I don't want it too sweet. I may need more sugar than this. I think I'm gonna be needing more sugar than this. I should measure it. So this is a cup I just put in. This is nowhere near sweet, and this could take a little more sorrel, but it's okay. So sugar. I'm making it too sweet. I really do not want it too sweet. Just one more. Or something. I'm just gonna put all of it. How is it Christmas? Well, I have a lot of things to do. I'm gonna bake cake, do a ham, do a chicken, do some do ham chicken, and I will be doing some turkey wings, ham, chicken, turkey wings. I'm gonna bake cake. So I'm hoping to get out of this kitchen by 11. Do rice and peas and some potato salad and some steamed bed. That's it. No big shebang. Because I'm tired. Okay, this is it. I think I'm going to be pouring it now in the... Yes, so this is it. It tastes like sorrel. That's not the sorrel that I'm accustomed to. But guess what? I have to make do with what I have. So it tastes like sorrel. It's not bad. I wouldn't want to use the entire cup for that 3 liters. The entire pack should say. I would not use the entire pack for that 3 liters. It would be too much. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Need some Christmas carol. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes. Yep. I just want to do everything at the same time. Alright. Let's do this now. Oh, shoot. Mighty God. People, disaster. entire thing. The thing was open. Oh my goodness. Everything pour out right here, so. Disaster. I'm using wipe up this thing now. So I have less sorrel. I may have to go draw some more. Oh. No work. I mean, I really want. See me, I'm gonna put out. Oh, I am telling you. Oh, God. All right, let's try again. Don't even know how much. This is what I got. I lost half of it because this was open. So I'm going to do some more and pour in it. But yes, for the amount that I use, I did 3 liters. I don't even know how much that is now. But I'm going to do a little bit more just to get some more. I don't want a lot of sorrel. So this is what I have. Left there. Should do one at a time, but I don't have that time. I really don't. It's the first, it's something though. I never bake yet. Curdle. I may have the Curdle. flour first. And just put a little bit more. And then I'm going to put my spatula. Should have put this, I should sieve it with the flour. Baking powder. Then the breadcrumbs now. I'm just going to be putting a little breadcrumb. Alright, let's just put a little breadcrumbs in it. I really put half pound, but I think I put enough flour in. I love the breadcrumbs. So when you do that, that's how it is to stay. There you go. But I think I need a little bit of wine in it and a little salt. I didn't put any salt in, and it don't really taste like I want any salt. I'm going to prepare the oven and the pan right now. So we don't need so much sugar. It's some alcohol. I'm putting in a little of this red wine. Kitchen is a mess. Yes, so the egg curdle. I never see this yet. Yeah, it's gonna be a little. Okay. I find a little rum. Just a little rum. Just a little. I'm not putting a lot of rum in this. But it needs a little rum. It needs a little of Mr. Ray and his nephew. Yeah. Yep. A little bit more. I just don't want to throw the empty something there, man. Jeez. No more. Put too much rum, people. So the cake could have drunk you. Alright, this is it now. This is it. That's it. See there? That's it. I am no pastry chef, but I can't help myself, so let me see how this turn out, because as I said, the eggs curdle. May want more. Let me see if I get a kind of loaf in. this is the chicken. Wipe. I found my tafa. This is the spiral ham that I don't like. Oops. Yes, sir. This is something. Put the water on. Okay. It's gonna work, people. It's gonna work. Hey, it's gonna work. Thank you, Jesus. Yeah. About an hour. Take it out. I'm gonna prepare the glaze. Ooh, this is a lot. Some space. And up to this point, I still didn't realize that one of the main ingredients was not added. You see? I don't have enough. I do not. Enough at all. Let's see what this does. Some reason Tennessee is. This is gonna be a pudding, not cake. Because I really don't like Christmas cake. I love pudding. So let's see. How this turn out. All right. I'm gonna say I'm gonna do now. All right. So, Madam Ham. I'm going to put this to 300. This water bath thing now the workout. Oh, we can put the ham down the bottom there. This can go here. The chicken go there. Nice. And that go there. there you go. And then now I'm gonna put this to 300. So that's how I have it there. See? The chicken under the 2 cakes, and that's it. Okay, so this is my cake. I don't like black cake, but not that I don't like black cake. Is I didn't remember to put the browning in. Anyway, this is it. I'm gonna put a little wine on it now and see. I don't want to put it back in the oven because it is well. See? Nothing. And that's how you know that your cake is done. So this was baked for an hour and 1.25 hour. Is it? Quarter to, yeah, 1.25 hour. I'm gonna put a little wine. A little rum and a little wine. A little rum and a little wine. I'm just pouring a little over. I don't have any spray bottle. So I just pour a little over it and let it cool, and then I'll cut it and show you. I don't really like black cake, honestly, but this is not the reason. The reason is I didn't remember the browning. But this one is not mine. A little miss asked me for that, so I'm gonna give her. I don't think if I can cut a little